it's me, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna do a taste test video. Yay! I got one entire bag of candy from Vietnam, so I'm excited. Some exciting things. So let's try it. You wanna look inside? Looks pretty good. All the candies, they're really good. So I'm just gonna pick it out. This is it. I don't know what it is. It's Rinda Gola Gula. Rinda Gola Gola. I see some carrot, fudge, yum, chocolate toffee. Now let's just dive in. Garbage. There is. Oh, it smells really weird. I won't even try it. Got a black one. Chocolate toffee. Chocolate toffee. Chocolate toffee. I think they're all the same, but let's try the pink one first. This is what the bag looks like. It smells really bad. Well, ready, set, go. I want to like it, but not really. It has this kick, a bit of kick to mint. I'm gonna brush my teeth after this. But as well, it tastes like Tootsie Roll. Yeah. Oh. But this package looks very nice. You can see the same thing. But, all green. Slight difference. Or it's just different tastes. Rinse it off first. Caramel. I like it. Last but not least, don't say this is black licorice or dark chocolate. Oh, okay, looks the same. Rinse it. Rinse it out. Ready, set, go. No. Tastes the same. What? Oh my god. That's actually okay. Well, pink was the worst. And this was made in Malaysia, not Vietnam. I did not read the instructions that good. It says made in Malaysia, so who cares? But I thought this was very good, but I bought like 3 packages. I think I'll give this to my classmates. I think they'll like it. So and I'll give that pink 1 out of 10. I want to be nice, but 0 out of 10 is the worst. Tootsie Roll, I think that was like a 6. But the green one was a total 3 out of 10. And that black one was 2 out of 10. So, yep. Next up we got is this soft milk candy gale syrup. Why is there a cow? I never tried this before. There's Happy Kids, and I like that. And then and there's a kid or boy. I don't know which hat was this way. It's like, yo, this way. Yo. But whatever. And that guy's like, I'm holding it. What's it? I'm holding a skipping rope. Yay, but I'm not even holding it on because I'm too scared to look at it. It's not even holding on. People. Oh, man. This will, for this, thank you for having a pull tab. Whoa. Yeah. Oh no, they have cows on it. Ew. But kind of excited. This video, my face is kind of weird, so skip this video. This is kind of chubby, so whoops. Fresh milk. Wow. What the heck? Wait. Okay. Fresh milk, 80%. Sugar, malt, peanut, cashew, chicken egg. What? Look at that color. It looks like diarrhea. I don't want to be mean, but yeah. Ready? Set. It's not suitcase. Definitely malt, peanut, cashews, and chicken egg, and milk and sugar. I'm sorry. Once you bite into it, you'll feel like all the nuts kicking right up to you. Okay? Then after you taste the milk, stuck to my teeth. Surprisingly very good. This, a 9 out of 10. Well done, friends. And I'm happy. And I bought 4 packages. Eat this all. So that's perfect. Last but not least, I bought 2 of these. It looks so cute. There's chocolate flavor and strawberry flavor. Maybe it's a mixture. It's new, yay! It's syrup. Okay, syrup. Why is so much milk candies, whatever. So yeah, let's see if they have cute packaging. Oh, it smells like yogurt. No way. What's that?